decided to randomly do a day in a life vlog just to show you what a typical day of mine look like from, working from home, and it's the holiday season, and what my daily routine usually involves. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, I usually wake up around like 7 o'clock, go to the gym in my building for a quick workout. Well, not quick workout, but I do usually like an hour workout before I start work. So I take a shower and all of that good stuff, and now I am getting ready to start work, which I start really soon. So I'm just gonna like quickly do my makeup because I do have a couple meetings today, and usually I'm not on camera, but I have a meeting with my manager. Usually I'm always on camera for that one. Right now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury skin tint. I love this thing. Like, I love the glow that it creates on your face, and it's not heavy. Let me just do that. I've had this for a while now. I usually like to wear this during the winter time because my face gets a little bit dry during winter. Not a lot because I have oily skin, but since it's cold outside, I feel like my face needs a little bit more moisturization. And this is not full coverage. It's like light to medium coverage. I'm going to use the Hourglass Vanish concealer. The quality of the products, 10 out of 10. Then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Pro Filter powder, and this shade is Banana. I love this stuff because I get oily in my T-zone area, so this really helps not only like control my shine, but also helps brightening under my eye. I use a smaller brush just so I can like really get in under my eye, like under those creases. And then I go in with a bigger brush for the rest of my face. I go in with the Sephora Pro Blush 99. So the plans for today is I have tons of work for work, like my corporate job, tons of work. I have a whole list of things that I want to get done for today for my corporate job. And then I have like a little treat coming. Well, it's not a little treat, it's a big treat because it was a major purchase, but I'll share that with you guys when it actually gets delivered. It's supposed to get delivered here today. So I checked this morning the status and it's out for delivery. I do have like a couple of returns to do at Nordstrom's because I bought my friend something as a Christmas gift, and I decided I don't want to give it to her anymore. Because I got something else for her, so like a better gift. And I also need, what store do I need? I need Bloomingdale's. Yes, I need Bloomingdale's because I want to go and smell some candles, because I want to get like a really nice candle for my bathroom and the kitchen area. I'm either leaning towards Byredo or Deep Teak, but I don't know, we'll see once I get there. And I also need to order groceries because I have nothing here. Like, I have nothing. Obviously, when you live alone, like, you don't have a lot of food because they go bad so quick and you have to throw it out. But yeah, like, I have absolutely nothing. Like, I think the only thing I have is like 2 eggs and pasta. Yeah, let me go and finish up my makeup and start working on my projects. So I just finished like the most important thing that was on my list for work. I'm so happy I got that done and out of the way. I haven't eaten anything today yet, so I am just going to make, I don't know, like I mentioned before, I don't have any groceries, so I'm gonna see what I can just like scramble up, and I still have to order my groceries. Anyways, I'm gonna make something to eat real quick because I'm starving. Okay, so this is what I whipped up with, you know, my current situation of not having any groceries. I have some oatmeal and some granola. I also have some toast with basil and chive cheese spread and some grapefruit. Work today was way busier than I expected it to be, and honestly it took a toll on me, and now I am so tired. But I didn't even get a chance to order my groceries so I can pick them up today. So I had to order them for pickup tomorrow because they had no more time slots available for today, which is a bummer. I am now going to Nordstrom's to go bring back the 2 items that I bought for my friend. I'm gonna return them, and then I have to go to Bloomingdale's. Update on my package. It's still not here yet. I hate when USPS says it's gonna get delivered on a certain day and they don't deliver it. It was just weird. The whole tracking thing on there is just weird. So I don't even think it's gonna get delivered today, honestly, because I think USPS came already for the day. I think the only way that it will get delivered is by a miracle. So what I'm gonna do is, I know it's definitely gonna get here tomorrow. I'll just, you know, show you guys what I got, and I'll add it to the end of this video. So right now, yeah, let's just head out. There's still some sunlight outside. Well, not sunlight, but like daylight, and it's almost 5. That's a little weird because I feel like usually around this time it's just pitch black. Like by the time I get off work, it's always pitch black. But let me hurry up so I can actually catch some daylight. Just a quick OOTD before we head out. I have this cream Zara trousers that I bought a while ago, and this orange reddish turtleneck with my Mango trench coat, and this bag is also from Mango. I got actually everything that I'm wearing right now, it's probably like 2 years old, but yeah. And then I'm going to wear some sneakers, which is downstairs.
Let me know if you have any questions, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Back from the mall. I picked up 2 things I'm going to show you. I got the Dior hand cream, lip balm. So usually I always buy the Chanel hand cream, but since Dior came out with this one, I think this one came out this year actually. It's $5 more than the Chanel. This is for $60 and the Chanel one is $55. I was like, let me try this. But look how cute this is. Like, I love how they have the Dior logo on here. So pretty. Okay, let me try it out. Doesn't have a strong scent, which I like because I wear perfume, so I don't want my lotion to overpower the fragrance that I'm wearing for the day. It does leave my hand feeling moisturized, which I like. Look at that. You see that little glow? That's what I look for. And then she also gave me some samples, which is always good. She gave me the J'adore Eau de Parfum. And I already know how the bottle looks. Like, this is so pretty. When she put this in the bag, I was like, ooh. I mean, I know how it smells. It's a lovely scent. It's really nice. It's not something that I would go out and purchase, but I just really love the bottle. Like, I was excited for the bottle, not for the perfume. And she also gave me some lipstick samples. I don't know how I feel about lipstick samples because it's like a one and done deal for me, because once you peel this, right, like it doesn't really, you can't really cover it back up. For sanitation purposes, I don't know how I feel about it, but hey, these lip colors look really nice. Like, look at that. Wait, why is there a white one? Oh, it's a lip balm. So remember, initially I went to Bloomingdale's to smell the Byredo candle and the deep teak candles, which I did. While I was in Bloomingdale's, I was like, you know what? Because I wanted to be nicely packaged, I'm going to order them online. But then I was walking in the mall and then I totally forgot that they had a deep teak, like the actual store in there. So I went in there and I got a candle. I went with the one I guess everyone loves. It smells so good. I went with the Bay. First time buyers of deep teak usually always get this, and this is like such a great introductory candle for people who don't know or don't have a deep teak candle. You know, usually sales associates, they'll always try to like get you to buy like the bigger one, you know, because they want you to spend more. But she was like, no, this classic size should be good enough. And I think she's right, because after I took the plastic off, I already smelled the candle. Wow, that's amazing. I got the classic size, which is 190 grams, I believe. But here's the candle. It's a cute little jar. I will definitely reuse this jar once the candle is done. I love free samples. So she gave me a eau de toilette natural spray, and it's the L'Eau Papier. All right, let's smell this. Smells nice, very different. The initial smell is really nice, then after that, it smells very unique. And then she gave me a eau de parfum. Oh, and this one is in the roses. That's the scent that I was leaning towards too for the candle. That's very pretty. I like that. Hey guys, so it is the next day and my package finally arrived. Just like I promised, I'm going to share it with you because I feel like, you know, I started off the vlog with saying like I'm expecting something, you know, like a treat for myself, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I think it's only fair for me to, I know it's like a day in a life vlog, and today is the next day. I just still wanted to share it with you. So here we go. So before I show you what I purchased, just a little backstory. I did not have any plans on buying this anytime soon within like my life. I thought I would have bought this maybe, I don't know, like 2-3 years from now, but I was on Poshmark and I was just minding my own business, and when I saw it and I saw the price, I just couldn't pass. And I think that if I didn't purchase this now and I purchased it 2-3 years from now, I probably would be paying twice as much. So I just pulled the plug and I bought it. So I went on and got myself, which I had like absolutely no business of doing, but like I said, the price was just too good to not just go ahead and buy it. I bought the Chanel wallet on chain, and of course it is pre-loved. Poshmark also authenticated it, so we have the little Poshmark authenticated certificate. Here is the bag. It's the Chanel wallet on chain. It's really, really, really like pre-loved. Like she wore this to death. Like I can tell because there are some wear and tear, but it's okay because I'm actually just gonna get it repaired. It is in, you know, it's in good condition. Like I'm happy. I'm very happy because right now on the reselling market for these, I'm actually gonna do another unboxing after I get it revived and repaired and all that stuff. So watch out for that, and then you kind of could see the difference from when I purchased it to after I sent it off to get repaired. And I'll go into the details for that. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I know like my package didn't come when I expected it, but that's just a little clip. All right guys, so that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed going through a typical day with me. And please remember to like this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, remember to hit the subscription button below. I will see you guys in another one. Bye.